Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Glitch effect in Pixlr. So here I'm gonna give you some glitch effect on Pixlr. So to do glitch effect on Pixlr, so there's many ways you could do it. You can do it manually or with the adjustment. So I'm going to two ways. The first way is to manually do it. To do that is Control C and then Control V. So you see at the top, you can just cut right here. Say you can cut it right there. That long, then you move it around. There you go. As you can see, the big glitch. Then we're gonna lock it. Then you can do it on the other one too, and just do it again. Then Control V. Then go V V V. There's a lot. So here we're gonna cut this part. But delete it. Right there you go. A quick tip for you guys: don't do a lot because it's gonna be hard to control which one you're gonna move or use. So there you go. Let's say that. Oopsie. Sorry. Say there we go. Choose this one and then got it blank, and there you go. As you can see, and then you can keep on doing that too, that they fill up and it looks like a glitch. So yeah, that's the first way of doing that. And the second way of doing this is just go to filter, then click on glitch. So here we have a range of glitches that we can use. So you see right here, there you go. Here we have the fringe, that looks like that. Here we have the RGB split, looks like that. Directions, as you can see, amount, colors, the ones that we want it to be. Also have other glitches right here. Let's see. There guys, there you go. Scan lines right here, as you can see, the amount of scan lines. And you have interference right here. You do amount interference, and you can do right here slices, and amount of slices and distance. There you go, as you can see. So there you go. So those are the two ways to do the glitch. And for my final one is by combining those two together. So I'll show what I mean. I copy this apple and we'll make a good glitch. So first thing we need to do is start before we copy this apple right here. First we must first add our filter that we want. So right now I think I would like this one right here. There you go. The direction. There you go. Let's move it like up a bit up. So we're gonna make it up. Yeah, I think that's good. There you go. And then we're gonna add a little bit of a what do you call this? Interference. There you go. Then amount. A lot, not that much, like 50. There you go. We can blow it. No, we're gonna put in 30. That's good enough. Now, start for the fun part. Now copy it. Then you're gonna cut the red that you want to do. Just cut any area of that. Then lock it. And then paste again. Cut which area we want. That and move it. That, then lock it. Paste. Then let's try. We're gonna do the grass right here. There we go. So we're gonna add it right here. There you go. Now we're gonna lock it. Now we're gonna add another one. We're gonna take some right here, the bottom part. Right there, then we're just gonna adjust it down. So it'll look like that. Say like this. There you go. Now we're gonna lock it. Then we're gonna get another part right here. Boom. Let's say we're gonna get this part right here. Cut that part right there. Then we're gonna add it right here. So like glitched out down. Then we're gonna lock it. There you go. now we're gonna fix that part right there. So yeah, erase it. You can erase some part of it if you want. So we're just gonna unlock it. Now erase a few part of it. Wait, there was a heal. There's a eraser right there. We go. Few part of it. Oopsie. Wrong image selected. There we go. There's a part of it. There you go. As you can see. There you go. Now we're gonna lock it back. Lock. There you go. So there you go, guys. We have our glitch apple right here. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, that's how you make a glitch in use a Pixlr, and of course you can use other stuff right here, like the burn, to make it like a little bit oldie glitch if you want, and then you can use the what do you call this blur, so you can a little bit blurry, say a little bit blurry of a glitch, and you can add the strength to its blur. Let's say 400, like that's a bare max. That's 100. Boom, it's gonna be blurry. Just gonna remove that. So yeah, there you go. And you can add much more stuff. You can just play with around. You can do also liquefy it if you want, but it won't look like a glitch if you liquefy it. So yeah, there you go. But yeah, it will look like a glitch art. If you're doing like a glitch art stuff, you can do it. Liquefy stuff right there. Let's say this one right here. Liquefy it. Liquefy. It's like a glitchy art theme. There you go. You see. Glitchy art and those stuff. So there you go, guys. So yeah. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.